Hi, this is Adam Duran. I'm with Local SEO in 10 and Magnified Media. And here today we're going to go through and talk about Google Trends and how we can use that to improve our local business search results. Okay, so first thing, go to the website, of course. What's cool about this, I'll show you, is you can go right here. We'll just put in a topic like solar power. We have some good solar clients. So what you'll see is it's really broad. So United States, we got it'll go from 0, I guess, which is no searches at all, to about 100. I don't know what that means. But what we'll do is what we want to notice here is that it goes up. It's been going up pretty dramatically, probably because of the start of the summer. So people have gotten a little more interested in solar power. So down here, we're going to look at the related queries. There's a bunch of them. And what we want to look, we'll just remember this one, solar tax credit 2020. But we're going to try and get more granular, right? We're going to go down here and make it a little, see what we get from making a little smaller search results. So you'll see in California, actually, it's weird. It's gone up, definitely gone up. It's gone up. Basically doubled in the last few months, and that makes sense, right? So we're going to go down here again to the related queries. What you're going to see is, bam, breakout. That's what we want to see. We love this breakout term, and these are some great topics down here that we want to pay attention to. So we want to even do more. So we want to get even more granular. So in this case, we can go to San Francisco. So around here, San Francisco, Oakland, the Bay Area. So where I want you to look at for your own business is down here in this related queries section, because this is what it's going to do is give us a place to start creating content. And what we want to do, we're going to pick one of these that we like. So, we like this battery backup. Okay, so a battery backup, this topic, it's listed as a breakout topic. So we're going to go and search that on Google. And then when we do that, we're going to see here, people also ask. So what we're going to do now when we're creating content. So content could be a web page, a page on your website, an article, for example, or it could be a YouTube video where you as the owner talk about that subject, or it could even be a podcast where you're talking about that subject. Now, to get even better, to do even better with that topic, this is the main topic, backup battery. The next thing is, here's your subtopics. So these are going to be your subheadings of any article that you create, for example. And then you can even get more granular. So you can get down here, we can see, we can get even more detailed in that article. So which battery backup is best for home use, or any of these subheadings are great indicators about what people are looking for. And the whole idea of Google Trends is you get up on that great wave of interest. And if you're up there you're one of the first, and you've created some great content, what that's going to do is more people Google is going to show your page to more people, right? Then more people go to that page. What then happens is that page drags the rest of your website up as well. And so that leads to your whole website becoming more popular. When it becomes more popular, especially by people in your local area, what's going to happen? That's right, more phone calls. So this is what you want to do. Easily first, we'll just review, go to Google Trends, choose your industry, choose a topic within that industry, make sure you're pretty localized in that. If it's not there, or you can just broaden that search to California or even Northern California, something like that. So once you do that, then you can go here, search for that term on Google, bam, now you have something to talk about, and you can do some brief research. You should be an expert, of course, in this already, and here's your subheadings. That's it. That's what you do. So once you create that, you put that up on your website, get Google to crawl that website, and bam, great results. That's it for today. See you next time.